each of those are each of the engines on the jet truck is a Pratt & Whitney J34 jet engine with the afterburner generating 6,000 pounds of thrust. There are 3 of them up there, and each of them combined will give a full horsepower rating of about 3,000. That's a dozen for sure. But take a look. This truck set a world speed record of 376 miles per hour. Bill Reisman is going to race it, but take a look as Kent Shockley spools it up for the burner pops. Let's listen, let's watch Shockwave!
And they were in the hotel this morning, kind of with their Duke stuff going, I'm going to win today. And Phil's going, no, I'm going to win today.
Well, I tell you what, it's going to be a fight to the finish, no doubt about that. The Shockwave jet truck makes its own weather. There is none like this one anywhere in the country. There are other jet trucks, but this is the granddaddy, built by Les Shockley, and now driven by his son. He said, son, here are the keys. Drive fast.
Can I tell you guys something really quick?
Yeah.
I was in Kent's truck here a couple hours ago. He looks like this big old jet truck, right?
Yeah.
He's got a Chihuahua. Have you had a baby Chihuahua?
Now, amazing. Now, as you look at the truck, you see the flames coming out from each of those 3 jet engines. The lower right one, as you look at it from the back, at Cleveland, Ohio, on Labor Day weekend this year, blew out part of the afterburner can, a big hole in it. He said, how am I going to race this with only 2 engines, especially when it's not in the middle? A bunch of guys got together up in Cleveland, Ohio, and said, we can fix this. They got a guy who knew how to do welding. They looked around Burke Lakefront Airport. They found some guys, and they found a stainless steel work sink. They cut up that stainless steel sink, built a patch, and put it back together. Ladies and gentlemen, look to the left. How many of you think the jet truck's going to win the race? How many of you think Bill Reisman's going to win the race?
Maybe.
Okay, smoke generators are on. He's popping. We got ourselves a race. Brakes are released. 3, 2, 1, now! We're on the road.